longest balanced subsequence non-decreasing. Okay, means it was already sorted. Find out the length of the longest balanced subsequence. Okay, that means all the elements will already be together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. How's the answer 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I see. The threes are combined. Okay, got it. I mean, in this test case, it's more like 1 comes 3 times, 2 comes 3 times, 3 comes 3 times, 4 comes 2 times, 5 comes 1 time. So, sorry, so small selection is it? So, 3, 3, and then just around also. Just, okay. So, for example, if I start with 1 with 5 frequency, then it's gonna be like, okay, I have 5, then I have 3, then I have 3, then I have 2, then I have 1. We want the longest subsequence, right? So this will be included, this will be included, this will be included. And I just want the frequency, so just say 1, 2, 3, what? 1, 3, 3, 2, so not 1, 5. So this will be taken as an answer, and my choice is now. Okay. Hmm. Now from this one, when it is 2, 3, then the answer is 2. I mean 2 plus 2. So rather 2 into 2. But so what we need to find, like um, what if I had, you know, this here, so square would have been a thing, or rather 3 into 3 into 3 would have been a thing. What if I have this, even for that matter, I can't consider all these for 2, can I? Oh no, I can't because it is, यहाँ से खत्म हो गया ना फिर, because it's not 2 then, it's this one, so we can't consider that into it. Okay, so 3, 3, and then either I can take the rightmost or I can take the leftmost. Something like that. Okay, okay. Hmm. And we have 1 to n. Okay. So my question is, the longest one will have these frequencies 5 times, 3 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1 time. So, um, This makes 3. Right. This makes 3. This makes 2. And this makes the wrong also. This makes 2. So we need to find out the longest occurrence not really, because now I want to choose this because this is also mine right currently, right? 306, 6 plus 3 is 9. So add another 3 here, let's say. Then we still need to choose this because this is 3 times 4, 12. This one, however, is 6. Or we can even take this one. So this is 9. Even if this happens like this, then 4 of them are here and one more. So this will make what? 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11. But this is still more advantageous because it is what? 12. Sorry, what? I won't take 3 for only. I will take 2 only. So 4 to the 8 only. For 5 to the 10 only. But here it will be 3 fours are 12. I think the more bigger the better, right? But yeah, these frequencies can be anywhere. It doesn't have to be this one. It could be here also. So yeah, process case the whole radius. Longest and longest subsequence. If I get something like this, what is the advantage of them being already sorted? I don't really get it. Could solve it, and it's just 100. So 3, 5. So can we take this 3? Yes, we can. Can we take this 3? Yes, we can. So we have 3 of this number, we have 3 of this number, we have 3 of this number. We have 5 of this number. So this one certainly can't be used. I mean, it can be used for thrice. So thrice equal to a object. Next, we start from here, 5 of it. Okay. 2 of it. Okay. So 5 उतने बार ही यूज हो सकता है. Like I'm saying, three can come four times. One, two, three, four. Five can come one time. Two can come one, two, three, four, five times. One can come one time. Something of that sort, probably. Now what we need to do is make a map, I guess. Then we need to make another thing frequency. XY and the um how to describe the frequency, right? So if we get the frequency here, now all we need to do is we need to uh, travel and we need to be like hey, 5, 4, 8.4. Okay, yeah, maybe that makes sense. So so wait. I am really confused now. Yeah, I am very confused actually. Subsequence. Why have I been thinking about sub-array for now? Subsequence ley line. Okay, wow. So, okay, if you want to take subsequence, then, well, then for here, I simply delete up forward. So it becomes 1144. Here, this is fine. From here, well, 5. I got them now. Okay, these are the frequency. Those again, for example, and I'll put subsequences. So, how do I make subsequences to this? If we want them to be all ones, we can make them all ones first of all. So we could make them all ones. If you want to make them all twos, then you could make them all twos. And if you want to make all threes, you can make all threes. If it all ones, this. All twos, like this. All threes, like this. All fours, I guess like this. But yeah, what if there is another like 5 ways or another 5 ways? And if you want to make all fours, then this is going very bad. Also. Yeah. If I have all three here and I have a five, I have another five. I think that approach was nice. That if I want to make all threes, I have to take them. So that will make it 12. This will make it 6. Yep, 5. Can I see for 6? Can I see for 7? I think maybe we can. So if I have to start at 1, I have to go till what? The number of distinct thingies there. What is this quantity that I'm looking for? Can I get three things? Can I, if I want to make one of everyone, if I want to make one of everyone, if I want to make two of everyone, if I want to make three of everyone, if I want to make fours of everyone. Yeah, so maximum yes, exactly. You have to go up to maximum of frequency. So this part is still useful here. However, uh, noding also useful actually, I would say. And we also just say max frequency is max element or frequency. Okay, so we'll be fine. For auto, so we want the let's say f from 1 all up till max frequency. Yeah. So now here we have to check whether it can make that like that or not. Okay. The same max length and yeah, curl length also 0. Start here and I'm like if yeah, if v of I is not v of I. Also, we are not traversing through n, we are traversing through m. Just make that. Okay, yeah, so if frequency of I, uh, let's say if it is less than equals to f curl length plus, okay, and then at every point, I guess we could just say uh, what max length equal to max length curl length. Also, if it is not, then just say curl length equal to 0. Okay, yeah, we need to. No, wait a minute. We need to get inside only, right? Basically, what I'm trying to do is let's make everybody of size 1. So, size 1, size 1, size 1. And so if I encounter something like this, size 1 ले लेगा, ले लेगा, ले लेगा, ले लेगा, ले लेगा, ले लेगा. It'll happen like that at the end. If I'm taking size 4 or 3 for example, ले लेगा, इसको ले लेगा, इसको ले लेगा, यहाँ पे भी इसको भी ले लेगा, यहाँ पे इसको नहीं लेगा, right? Yes. So नहीं लेगा वो. हाँ नहीं, but जीरो तो करना पड़ेगा ना on call, so it won't get reset. Fair enough. Okay. अरे लेस देन थोड़ी चेक करना है, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू चेक करना है, राइट? मे बी स्टिल the frequency of I is greater than equals to f. What is happening? I'm confused to understand. So f equal to 1 and whatever the max element is, max frequency. Current length is 0 or I 0 is null. If freq of I is greater than equals to this thing. अरे प्लस प्लस नहीं करना है. Need to add f. Okay, still not working. I see. So when we go up till 4 now, this I should be able to take into account the, no, 3 यहाँ पे 3 पे होना चाहिए ना, 3 पे it should take everybody. Right. Uh, current length is 0, let's say. Right. If frequency of I is less than greater than equals to 3, this current length plus equals to 3. Okay. Else current length is not else. Sure, then why is it not happening, man? Hmm, hmm, hmm. Alright, alright. Hmm. Damn it. Oh my god. Okay, let's submit this a little bit too late. Why is this? What? How long is the contest today then? 2 hours, 15 minutes. Oh my goodness. Okay. Why is it wrong? अरे यार. It's just wrong though. It's just shouldn't be zero or should be making it F. Um, because see, this is zero here, right here, right? And if I make it a two, from here it says, yeah, there is for one, there is one guy. It comes here and it says two. Yep, and for two, it says 2 plus 2, no, yeah, it says 2 zeros. But then if I have a 2 here suddenly, then it would just change it to a 0, which is not the best thing to happen, I guess. Um, okay, how do we get 6 suddenly? Why did this? Oh, wait. Yeah, obviously, if it is not that, you have to make it 0, right? If it is greater than that. Wow, I'm not getting it. This approach doesn't seem wrong, right? Taking ones of everyone, taking twos of everyone, taking threes of everyone, taking ones of everyone, twos of everyone, ones of three, ones of everyone, twos of everyone, threes of everyone, fours of everyone. Four twos are eight, so it's smaller. What if I had 6 6 7 7 7 8 8 8 8? Hmm. How many numbers are these? Damn it. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so uh, just a line because no, you can't take a 3 here, or even if you want to have a 3, let's say, or even if you just want to have a 9 9, so here will be a 2, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then let's add one more. Yeah, so it's 10 as you see because you're a 5 and then it will become 10. So it works pretty much. If I expect it to, it's not running right. subfrequency of I. What about सबका frequency 1 1 है? No, that's fine. What if but an empty array is always balanced? Is that relevant here? Empty array is always balanced. I don't think how can an empty array be an issue here because I don't find any way to interpret it into a solution, but just means for oh my god, wait a minute. Have I done that? Okay, no, but all the elements will always stick together. So, yeah, that's not an issue. Like counting the scatter because I am given a non-decreasing array. Yes, that's not an issue. Size. Doing like for f, every number of elements that I want to have, I am simply going through the array and I am adding elements. I'm adding elements. For example, if I add tools, then I would add these. Oh wait, what? Wait a minute. What will happen? Okay, why is the answer 4? Because I would do this right. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Mm-hmm. Then why isn't it happening? Yeah, that's true. The frequency of I is greater than f. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have. No, no, this is correct only. I messed up this array with this array. It's not, it's same. This is 4. The answer is 4. before that. What else should it be? Wait, it will be 5, right? Oh, yes, it will be 5 indeed. Sorry. Mm, So what you're saying is that I should add the frequency here instead? Is that what you're saying? That doesn't seem right. What is happening? Basically, what I'm saying is if a number occurs 2 times and if a number occurs 3 times, one number occurs twice. So you can take both of those two numbers in it and take those numbers. Okay, yeah. The old logic was right. It was 2 plus 2, and this is 4. This is not the number of days that I'm saying, right? Singular brain question here. I don't know, man. Maybe you should try out this one. Merging the sets. You are given answers. Set. Sets. Using the environment. You want to choose some of the sets possible in none, such that every integer between 1 and n is included in at least one of the chosen sets. Whether there exists any at least 3 ways to choose the sets. One of the chosen sets is included in at least one of the chosen sets. Is at least 3 ways. So these are now one set two businesses answer the one. Oh wait. First option is directly to choose this one. Second option is obviously to choose this one and this one. Third option is to choose all of them. 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 10 minus 3 minus something, obviously. Okay, then we need to go to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. सभी एक लेना पड़ेगा, and there's only one combination. So, there's only one way to choose. Okay. In this test case, 1, 2, 3, 4. इसमें possible ही नहीं है. Okay. In this case, there are 5 only. Already there are 5, so yeah, you can choose any of them. So I think first of all we need to figure out what all sets we should choose to uh, first of all be able to get that yes we will make the whole thing, and then taking that as a no but when everything really good but not the thing from that. So yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 and 5. 1 2 3 4 5 5. 5 मुझे ऐसा मिल रहा है, 5 मुझे ऐसा मिल रहा है, 4 मुझे ऐसा मिल रहा है, 3 मुझे ऐसा मिल रहा है, मुझे ऐसा मिल रहा है। इसको लेना ही पड़ेगा, इसको लेना ही पड़ेगा, इसको लेना ही पड़ेगा, इसको लेना ही पड़ेगा। Three, four, 1 2 5 7 2 6 7 8 9 6 7 8 9 9 10. ये 10 सिर्फ इसमें आ रहा है, 9 इसमें आ रहा है, 9 इसमें आ रहा है, 8 इसमें आ रहा है, 5 सिर्फ इसमें आ रहा है, 4 सिर्फ इसमें आ रहा है, 1 2 3 सिर्फ इसमें आ रहा है. So this is essential, right? I think this whole essential or so. Uh, 1 is available in multiple places, 2 is available, 3 is not available, is important. 5 is also not available anywhere else. 6 is available, 7 is available, 8, 9, 10 is only available. So these are the fixed ones. इनको लेना ही पड़ेगा, इनको अगर हमने ले लिया तो तुम्हारे कौन से फिक्स हो जाता है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10. Okay. Now from the remaining ones, we need 8. from them. That's, the remaining ones, I can get 8 from this, I can get 8 from this. So, I mean, how are the 3 ways possible? Man? I don't get it. Or maybe if you choose this one to get 8, but you get the other ones also, so you'll be like, I don't need them. This one is tougher than I thought. I mean, this is, I get an idea, I guess. In a minute. Oh, God, this question. The numbers of occurrences of elements on sequence. Note that an empty array is always balanced. Using array, find the length of its longest balanced subsequence. So if first of all, if I'm given an array of n not greater than equal to 1, then obviously my minimum answer will always be 1 because, or rather, I should say, the Mango answer will be the number of distinct elements in that array. Right. Okay, is the answer still 5 now? Probably. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my longest distance. Yeah, 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 definitely. It is. What if I have. So adding more 5s to it will solve nothing. Although if I add another 4 here, then it's. See, 2 plus 2 is still 4. So, yeah. But to make this one more 3, then perhaps we get 1 because now instead of picking up whole carry, reducing them to 1 1, twos, twos, and twos. Sorry, so if it ever gets reduced to 0, what is the wrong point here. Okay, so one thing which I did not consider here is clubbing across islands. For example, in this case itself, the answer we get is 10, but 5 of these, and let's say, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. For the parentheses, let me add the instance, right? So if I want to say 4 of these, and I want to take 4 of these, and I want to take, let's say, 4 of these, and I want to take 4 of these. So that's like what, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4, 4 is 16. Answer will be 16. But it's not, right? It's not. So why is this changed? What is happening? But 4, 2, 9, 5. And what is happening? Oh, I think you didn't add. Okay, yeah, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now we get to the answer. Okay, so it's not 16, right? That's why it's happening. So we don't want to make the 0. Is that what the thing is? Yeah, just don't take it and put. Okay, we get 18 apparently. Yeah, so maybe 4 से कुछ और बड़ा आता होगा. Right? Probably taking 3 at a time is bigger, I guess. I don't know. Because yeah, 3 at a time, 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 3 at a time. Yeah, maybe that's right. Okay. This is 6. This is 4. Yeah, that's what probably yours will show. Your 0 is almost an hour after 1 hour later. Coming back to B, let's just look at C. You are given an integer n and a binary string s of length n. For a given permutation p of length n, you given an integer n and a binary string s of length n. For a permutation p of length n, integer n, we define find x in the following series of and be a random integer between L and R. Pm is equal to x return n. If it is greater than x, and then R reduce karo. If it is smaller than x, and then reduce karo. Right. So we call an integer x stable if and only if find x is always undefined and p of find of x always holds true. Always holds. We call an integer x stable if and only if for a permutation p of length n and an integer x. We call an integer x stable if and only if find x is always not undefined and p of find of x p of find of x is equal to x holds no matter how the value of m is selected in the process pseudocode. P of find of x, so find of x just returns the one based index of x, so p of x should be equal to x. Have to construct the permutation p of length n such that for each string integer I is stable if and only if s of I is 1. What is this question doing? So we call an integer x stable if and only if find of x is always not undefined. Basically what it means to say that find of x, we call an integer x stable अगर x is equal to x always holds. Yeah, it will only hold right. How the value of m selected. Have to construct a permutation p of intents of star. For each I, the integer I is stable if and only if s of I is 1. If it is 0, then it should not be stable, right? So, for determine no such permutation exists. मुझे इतना समझ में आ रहा है कि जिसका इंडेक्स 1 है वो वही होना चाहिए एंड जिसका इंडेक्स 1 नहीं है वो नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट्स बेसिकली इट. 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, फेयर इनफ. इसमें करते हैं. इसमें क्या सीन है? वन अपनी जगह पे है। नहीं। Damn it. Oh wait, sorry, this is not the test case. हाँ, so यहाँ पे वन नहीं होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे टू नहीं होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे थ्री होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे फोर नहीं होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे फाइव होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे सिक्स नहीं होना चाहिए। फोर्थ वाले का दिया हुआ है कि कुछ। सेकंड वाले में कुछ दिया, थर्ड वाले में एक मिनट, थर्ड वाले में पॉसिबल नहीं है तो कह रहा है। There is more than just the function, you know. Eh, I try to understand this one first. In the beginning, L equal to 1, R equal to 3. We will select M as a random integer. Let's choose M equal to 1. So, well, P1 जो है वो 1 है, वो छोटा है. Okay, so we have to take the worst possible then. L is set to the string. And now L will be 2 and R will be 3. Okay, okay. If we choose M equal to 1, if we choose M equal to 2, the return value is always 2. अगर मैंने ये लिया तो I'm slightly getting the hang of it, but not entirely sure. Why? But I'm really getting this vibe that यहाँ पे वो सेम नंबर आ गए हैं। बट यहाँ पर अगर मैं करता हूँ मान लो वन 3 dash dash dash. So I put 1 2 3 4 5. So let's put 5 4 2 right. So one and two should be stable. Okay, no. If I have anywhere on my hardware, I choose anywhere. I don't know. Yeah, one creation is very easy. One failure, for example, it's not because उससे पहले उससे कोई अ, उससे कोई बड़ा नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए बड़ा नंबर तो मिनिमम ये नंबर लाइक थ्री थ्री तो बड़ा है तो उससे पीछे देखो वहाँ पर तो कभी मिलेगा नहीं सेम विथ थ्री थ्री में मैं अगर फाइव ढूंढ लिया सेम सो फिर ऐसा यार तो लेकिन जो वन वाले नंबर है उसमें ऐसा होना चाहिए कि उनसे पहले जो है basically if you have any one element which has to be stable being stable means उसके पहले उससे कोई बड़ा नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए and उसके बाद उससे कोई छोटा नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए that is the definition of stability which we can see here as well. Yeah, so for example this one we have where in 11 digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 digits and for 11 digits I have 1 2 3 4 5 fifth 1 2 3 4 5 fifth वाले पे I have 1 6 7 8 and 9 6 7 8 and 9 so 5 6 7 8 9 so fifth 8th and ninth one you need to make sure that it is इन नंबर से पहले जितने नंबर हैं उससे बड़ा ही होना चाहिए इनके बाद में इतने ब्लैंक्स हैं उनसे छोटा ओके तो हम इससे पहले कितने छोटे होने चाहिए सर 1 2 3 4 फिफ्थ वाले में छोटे होने चाहिए 4 एंड बड़े कितने होने चाहिए 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 एक्चुअली these are also counts right so these should also be sorted they should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 I think they have to be that number right because or else they will happen probably true I think unstable part is more of a challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So this has to be stable. This has to be stable. क्या बट वो ग्रुप चेक कर ग्रुप पे ही आया है सबके किसके होने हैं इस वीक में अपना है उसमें अपना नहीं है 22 सितंबर वाले आ चुके हैं 16 वाला अच्छा ठीक है। हम्म, so I will do here, so I'll go 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll go 6, so, um, yes, basically, I will be, this is the problem. Um, so, 4 and 6, right, so, something like 7, let's say, 7 can't be added here. Okay, maybe then 5, 6, 7, maybe this was the problem. This getting, this is the 3, 4, 5. Hmm. Now, wow, maybe we could do one, one, can't do one. Okay, could we do? Okay, that is interesting. 6, 7, 8. If I go to 1, 5, 4, 7, then what? 3 can still be found, right? 6 can still be found. 8 could be misled because 7 is happen. 4 could be misled because 5 will happen. So in these channels, you have to scramble them. So this is, I have an idea. So this, because of this one, it's not possible. No. Basically, if there is any one wala thing, it's not possible. Is my takeaway from this. And okay, but if there is one none, if there are more than one, then we can simply first of all put these on where they have to be. And then we need to sort out. Okay, this one seems doable. Very nice. So now we want to see just for the one spell. Hmm. Um, so there's zeros count, and for zero, it's going to, I should use an auto count, right? I just because auto CS, if C is a zero, then you do 0 plus plus. If it's not a zero, and so yeah, if it's not a zero, it's a one. And if zero was only one, Then you say okay, is false. And break. If zero was zero, or if it was more than zero, then probably. If not okay, see out. Oh, can I just individually virtual always use like that? Yeah, this one and this one. Okay, so that's one to me. Now the thing is we have to make the edit. Okay. So generally one time we simply need to insert that thing. So if specify is 1, v of I equal to, so first of all that yeah, that looks fine. Then what we need to do is that we need to sort of let swap these ones and swap these ones and swap these ones and swap these ones and swap these ones. So, mm, but obviously we can't be filling in and reversing it because that would make it kind of Spanish. So what we instead need to do, we need to know where this starts. It starts at 1 and it starts ends at 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to start filling it with 4 and go up till 1. And then next we need to see where it starts and we need to see where it ends. Right. Okay. So I think we can make this thing and then we can not end actually. We are see how it goes. So this will basically be like for and we'll check if v of I is 0. Okay. So yeah, about if v of I is 0, then that means that we need to sort of um, make it into record the start or the end, and something like that. Then, yeah. Okay. So let's do this then. It's int L R. So if v of I is 0, if L is -1, then you say L is I. Okay, got it. So basically, uh, if we start from here, yeah, if L is -1, say L is I. Here L will not be -1, here L will not be -1, here L will not be -1, here L will not be -1. Yeah, but here ये भी तो नहीं होगा. So we go until this happens, and if L is not -1, then you say R is fine. Okay, and you say what and place back L comma R, or rather I should say minus 1. Okay. So I will do something. And after this happens, you also need to say state. Right. So let me just say if we getting the BP correctly. Okay. So towards the end also we need to check it. Yeah. If L is not minus 1, same R is what? R is n minus 1 dot EV R. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. 0, 1, yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, yes. 4, 5, 6, yes. 7, 8, 9, 10, yes. Okay. So we are getting the coordinates successfully here. Now what we want to do is that we need to fill these coordinates. Okay, so let me just go here, or rather, let me just um, 1 back equal to 0. Yeah, fine. The thing about zero, because this happens, and the analysis map is close. Right here, I would like to do, I like to say key. So if we approach the starting point, so okay, let me also call iterator of the VP. So yeah, if ID is less than VP dot size and um, I is equals to VP of ID dot first. It means we have approached the starting point. We need to start fill it. So how I'm gonna fill it? We will basically make a loop which will go from VP of IT dot first, which is I. It will go till VP of IT dot second, which is wherever it ends, and it will increase every time. And what we will be doing is that we will be sort of filling it, right? Let me just call it num, which we will fix it with 80 dot second plus num, because for one based indexing. And I will like v of j is num and num minus minus every time. After we do it, so it is list on this plus string if num is equal to vp of it dot image. Start from there until there. V of j is num minus minus, and after that job is finished, it plus plus. Right. Okay. So yeah, one, two, three, five. Are the examples also same? Probably not. I'm seeing if it's there. Or maybe it should be. You know, maybe it should be. Could be. Yes. 2 1 3 7. Okay, this one is okay, not identical, I would say. But so, like, what I'm saying is that dumb have because no, these ones. Achha, sorry, not this. This one is 5, and this one is anti-sort. This one is anti-sort. This one is anti-sort. So here I cannot reach by any means because यहाँ पे अगर आ गया तो you'll be like अरे बड़ा छोटा करो range यहाँ पे आ गया. Right. If I ever want to reach this guy, गलती से अगर यहाँ पे आ गया नहीं अरे छोटा है range left से छोटा करो यहाँ पे आ गया never reach that. So yeah, I think logic is pretty much sound. So same thing here also. Can there be any test case? I don't think so. Right? Again, it depends. It solely depends on this theory. This one. अगर one है तो ही it will be a can't happen. If there are more than one zeros in between, it means I can anti-sort something. Right. Okay, but tell me one thing. If I have something like this. So, for example, okay, this one is pretty much easy. How about yeah, how about this? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need to have this one in place, this one in place, this one in place, this one in place. So I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Then I can anti-sort them according to my apparently correct logic. And this one I can't sort, so it has to be 6. So now if I go to find 6 now, I will always get, I will always end up at 6. बिकॉज उससे आगे कोई उससे बड़ा नहीं है उससे पीछे उससे कोई छोटा नहीं है जो ओनली थिंग डू दैट इज दैट उसके आगे पीछे वाले को एक उल्टा कर दो फॉर दैट मी ग्रेटर देन वन एंड दिस इज हाउ आई थिंक इट इज लॉजिकल साउंड बट या let's go for it I guess okay and by the way the complexity this is off and this is off and uh, what is this exactly doing. Yeah, this one was just filling ones one is sorted sequentially according to the index. This one is so yeah. This is off and clearly yeah. Uh, mhm. This one is so this was for off one. Oh, yeah, I should include one more thing. What we need to so we have done everything for that particular index, right? We also need to jump I to basically I should jump to VP of IT dot so that next iteration it goes directly jumps to that. But even if I wasn't doing that, why wasn't getting the right answer? VP of I was IT dot oh because it was uselessly happening so many times. Okay. So can I just for research purposes Yeah, so 3, 5, 7, 11, 3. 3, 5, 7, 11, 3. 3, 5, 7, 11, 3. 3, 5, 7, 11, 3. 3, 1, 3, 6, 2. Right. Shorts, it definitely. It just sends it to the next one. So yeah, I think it definitely works as I wanted to. Also, yeah, this one, 3 buckets working fine, yeah. Right? Yeah. Okay, man. I think we should send the thing. So yeah, this one basically makes it reduces it to n O of n because this moves in annually. Whenever this happens, this thing will happen, and this one will basically run from this to this. And this, as you can see, it's a kind of a continuous thingy, non-intersection continuous thingy. So it will simply jump it to the next point. So it's basically O of n. Yeah, so this pretty much seems to be some logic to me, but I won't be surprised if it's wrong. I should figure it out. The wrong thing, maybe, or maybe this logic. This this logic cannot be wrong. If I'm on mute, it's always not artificial communication, the offline friends and that. Um, I don't know. I still have reason to believe that if I don't, you know, make them opposite, it would. Oh, if these would be opposite, only then. Maybe there's some edge case or something. I don't know. Mm, okay, wait a minute. If I have something like zeros, so assumption is that, you know, it will be something like, so if I want it to be, and now I'm saying what I want it to be, according to my estimation, it will be something. Yeah, but it can be slightly, this will always be zero for next thing, which happens around it, and it is also not stable. I mean, it is true in the sense that this, this to make it, you know, 1, 3, 4, 6, 5. That way, इससे छोटे वाले सिर्फ इसके लेफ्ट में, इससे बड़े छोटे वाले सिर्फ इसके लेफ्ट में, इससे बड़े सिर्फ राइट में, इसका एकदम ऑपोजिट है, इसका एकदम ऑपोजिट है. What actually is if I 1 to 40. So 3 and 4. 3 is unreachable because if I reach 4, I'll be like reduce the window from the right side. But I'll be lost. 2 can't be lost. 1 can't be lost. This logic is solid. So is this. Is there any other way to rearrange this? Any other way? Let's say I put 6 here, 5 here, 6 numbers in here. Then the moment I put 5 here now, I can't put 4 here. Okay, I have to put 4 here. And I can't put 3 here. So it's not possible. Probably a bug issue. Z is 0. Okay, true. See, if it is 0, then zeros were there. It's not a 0. Are you kidding me? If it's that issue now, I'm gonna use it. If I remove, if I make it just a 1, and if this guy gives me yes, hold it. Oh god, I just had to check here if Z is 1. Oh man, damn it. So it was a problem in this issue. Hope there is nothing else. Nothing else breaks, right? Okay, why is this getting... This value is never used. I know, bro. Oh, yeah. Logically, logically you are right. Because I break it. And then I come here. And then I use it. Code is not breaking that anywhere. No, code is not breaking. Scared me for a second. Okay, let's go submit this one. God, please no. Any other mistake? Can't look at this. Oh man, come on. Okay, but at least we shifted past something. Hmm. So this is working. Um, it's okay. Continue. It's not okay. Yeah. Vector with zeros. Uh, I specify is one. The way of I have this one. That's true. Very plain and simple. Now we have to make those things. So here, what we have proposed is by going zero I is if v of I is zero, okay. If L of I is sorry, if the L most is minus one, then you say okay, the starting point is I, and let's move on. If I get another I, L won't be minus one. Another zero, L won't be minus one. Another zero, L won't be minus one. If I get another one, then L isn't minus one. So R is I minus one. That means the previous thing, right? Mhm. And can this be out of bound? No, because if this is out of bound, that means I would have been zero. Sorry, I would have been, right, yeah. No, but this is not possible in that case. Fair enough. If I is minus one, sorry, uh, the R is R minus one. And we have like vector of pairs with the coordinates of indexes of starting and ending is L and R. Yes. And we say L minus one because the window has finished. Okay. Yep. What if we get one after another one? L would have becomes a minus one, the first one. After this, yeah, I get easy. We get one after a zero. Doesn't matter. It become minus. Would have been minus one. So this is restricts and counter equation. So this one proved to me L is not minus one. R is n minus one. For I equal to zero, R is none. I creature is less than the size. Number is VP of IT dot second. VP of IT dot second. 4 3 2 1. Yeah, VP of IT plus second plus one. J is VP of IT dot first. We go to IT dot second. Minus. After this was the ends, IT is first. So I is equals to VP of IT dot second. So that is yes, bro. Seems fine to me. Unless the logic has an error. Could be the case. Shady here because L equal to minus 1. What if it's not minus 1? It means that we are in a window of zeros. Here, if it is L star basically, it means that we are in a window of ones because L is already minus 1. Here we are is doesn't matter because if L is minus 1, it means we ended with a 1, right? So it's not needed. Checks out. And sure what is happening, why it's happening. This question to I didn't even think too deeply about. I don't think there is time for that though. Just spend some more time here. Where can I think of it? I mean, even my logic seems pretty sound to me. Um, if they are, if the number is ending with more than one zeros, still we could, as long as it's not one single zero, we could reverse sort them. Each number would have a different, thing to it. Um, yeah, I mean, not very sure where this code fails. Um, One zero zero one. Give me one five four three. I don't find implementation anywhere. I don't find a logic that I not other person. बाद में mostly. हाँ. पहले के कुछ questions हाँ. नहीं. फाइनेंस जॉब का था ना. हम्म. हम्म. Four. So, 1 1 0 0 Can't really pinpoint any problem.